Hi guys, well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful stylish makeup. So I'm actually 6 years old. Okay. So let's do it. First you need to add these beautiful. First, you need, where's my brush? Where's my brush actually? Wait, okay guys, let me find, oh, there's my brush. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a fabulous makeup. So, first you need this, the white one, to paint on your eyes. One strip paint on your beautiful luscious eyes. First you need to add white all over your face. All over. Let me tie it. And we're going to apply more. Everywhere on their face to make it really white. And wipe it. And we're done with this. I need to do the other one. Okay, now I'm going to apply this. My mom said apply it. Do it on your face. So where should I put first? Here. I look like a scary monster. Let's see. Where am I? I don't like here. Now you need to do this. You need to put this black sparkle one and this blue letter sparkle one. First you need to put the white on your nose to make it beautiful. Tap two things. I mean, not on your thumb. Tap one. Put it on your nose. Tap it. Don't be shy. Put some more. James Charles YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay, so I'm done with the white, but a bit. Now I need to do this sparkle one, the light sparkle one, to find out beautiful kind of nose shape looks so weird. So now I'm going to do so fast. Okay, now I need the dark one. See this dark one? Put it over your neck to be really beautiful. I need to apply eyelashes. These eyelashes. Almost done. Bit of shiny things. So I need this shiny thing turned on my eye. Apply the light ones. To apply the light one. Now I'm kind of being done now. Now you need to apply the very dark purple on your eyes to be dark. And a bit more and we're done. We're done. Now I'm done. Guys, so I'm going to wash my face. Makeup is not good for our skin. Okay, so I'm turning on the lights. Go to the bathroom. Close the door. And put this phone here. I'm going to wash my face. Guys, now I'm done. So now I'm going to dry my face. Now I'm going to apply this cream. My face is turning like a cream. Look at the cream. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to study for a while.
Really?
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. So we're going to make another makeup challenge. And bye guys.